Lord, you so good. Hi guys, it's your girl Eveeee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. Family, come let's try our hands on this Milky puff puff. Okay, so I made this puff puff with my two beautiful babies, Sika and Koko. Okay, so let's get cooking. So in a bowl, Sika is adding our flour, so we add our flour, and then we are adding milk powder. Like I said, it's a milky puff puff. So Sika adding our milk powder, our sugar, and please note I'll be listing all the ingredients in the description box, okay, so you check it out. Then Koko adds our salt and our nutmeg and then Sika adds our yeast. Okay, so now I am gonna stir everything together for it to incorporate into each other. Then I'll add some water to it to mix to get our puff puff batter. So at this point, Auntie Eveeee took over. The Tasty and Fresh crew, we are many. The way they were worrying me, Auntie, I want to pour some, Auntie, I want to pour some. So now our batter is ready. So we're gonna cover this and allow it to settle and rise for about 45 minutes. So over here in Ghana, puff puff is also called Borfrot or Tsp. How do you call yours in your country? Send a comment below, okay? So after 45 minutes, here we are. Our batter has risen beautifully. So I'm gonna stir to release the excess air in it. Whilst doing this, I have preheated my pot with some oil. So we are gonna start frying our milky puff puff. Hey, and the shapes I was getting, oh my god. I think I tried. It wasn't bad, right? Family, send your comments on my puff puff shapes down, okay? So please make sure you do this on a medium to low heat so the puff puff can cook inside and then give us the golden brown outside. So whilst frying, my baby Koko will come. Auntie, is a cough cough ready? Cough cough, is it puff puff or cough cough? And then Sika will correct him, it's not cough cough, it's puff puff. Yes, so I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys for how far we have come. It's a doing of the Lord and it's so marvelous in my eyes. If you are new to my channel, thank you and welcome. Kindly click on the notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified. You see, our puff puff is ready. Yen tasting share. Wow, na kono nefe na ne deso. Everybody was asking for more. So now that we are in the puff puff season, why don't you follow us for more delicious puff puff recipes? So family, join me, let's enjoy puff puff, okay? Koko and Sika are waiting. I hope they do well. Thank you so much and see ya in our next video. Bye family.